Yeah. I know we're starting right now, but I had to get my little drink. Morning, family. Morning, my time, family. How's everybody doing today? Man, it's a long day. Welcome to the channel, everybody. Welcome to the channel. I want to thank you for signing up, subscribing. Everybody who came so far these past 2 days has been amazing. I don't know, this is not the regular way I start the channel, but I have a question for you. Close this garage door. I got a question for you. As you know, I've been on this healthy, wealthy, wise trip, and I lost 15 pounds. You saw the last video I did this morning. And I'm having some challenges. The challenges that I'm having is eating again. You might say eating again. Yeah, eating again. I stopped eating meat. I stopped eating a lot of food I used to eat before. Because I love food. I love food. You give me some ribs. You give me some macaroni and cheese, some collard. My lips are watering. Give me some collard greens, some mac and cheese, some barbecue chicken wings. I mean, I love food. So I want to ask the family in here, my time community, what types of food, healthy food, should I be eating? Yeah, I know to eat greens and, low carbs and all this stuff. But I'm talking about be specific. Because I've been eating rabbit food for a long time. Rabbit food is good for you, but rabbit food is starting not to taste as good as it was in the beginning. Don't get me wrong. I still love me some Caesar salad. I still put Caesar dressing on the salad. But after that, after the fruits, after the vegetables, I want some food, healthy food. So type in the comments, what do you suggest, or what, matter of fact, not suggest, what have you tried and have eaten and found that it tasted good for you to maintain your weight loss and to keep you healthy, to keep all the, the toxicities and all that stuff out of your system? Because I'm trying this new drink today, new smoothie. What's this thing? Too Good. I went to Target to get my salad. They didn't even have no salad in there. The salad I normally get, they didn't have any there. I guess they didn't stock it up yet. So I saw this smoothie, Too Good. I said, let me try it. Let me think about it. And I'm going to try it with you today because I need some real food. Open this thing. I need some real food to eat because I'm not going back on those Chinese food, chicken wings and, pork fried rice with chicken wings and everything. I might eat some fried rice. I had fried rice the other day. But I said I want to keep it healthy. I want to keep it real. And I want you to keep me accountable. Or I want to be accountable to somebody. And why not be accountable to you? So let me try this. Strawberry banana smoothie. So This sucker good. Well, I think I found me something else that I can eat. This smoothie. Hey, this smoothie. Let me wipe my mouth. I found something I can eat or drink, which is strawberry banana smoothie. It don't have no aftertaste. Because some smoothies I've been drinking, even from like those stores they got in the mall, they make those smoothies. They make them pretty good too, but some of them you got like a little aftertaste, that powder, the stuff they put in there. But anyway, type in the comments, what do you suggest to eat so I can maintain this healthy, wealthy, wise feeling that I have? Because I lost 15 pounds. I don't want to gain another 10 pounds because I started sneaking some Dorito chips or some crunchy cheese doodles with the jalapeno peppers on there because, that's my favorite. See, I haven't eaten any because I don't have anything under my nails, because you can tell people who eat those chips, they have the little orange fingernails. You be like, what you been doing? I haven't been doing nothing. Trying to hide themselves. But just a short video. I just want you to help me maintain my healthy, wealthy, wise. Give me some suggestions on what to eat to stay healthy, because I don't want you to say you should eat this or you should eat that. I want it from you that what you have already tasted to see if it is good. Taste it and see that it was good and it helped you out to maintain your weight loss or to maintain you staying healthy. That's all I'm trying to do. Keep my body healthy so I can see my great-great-grandkids. And that's what I want to do. So, can you help me out? Can you help a brother out? Maintain this healthy, wealthy, wise. And like I tell everybody, this is my life. This is my experience. This is my channel. God bless.